Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up BullX Neo. Now, important things that you need to know is BullX Neo is a Telegram bot. So of course, you're going to need to have Telegram on your PC or on your cell phone, whichever way you decide. For this video, we're going to do it on PC, Windows specifically. So what you want to do is go to the BullX Neo website and you can just copy it from me over here. And then it's going to ask you to connect to Telegram. So you'll click on this. Now from here, it's going to take you to Telegram, and the Telegram bot is going to give you a whole bunch of information. Do not click on any ads with any Telegram bot you're dealing with, guys. The ads are not from BullX Neo or whichever bot. So now what you want to do is / and start. And then from there, it's going to ask you to log in. So you're just going to click on login, even though you haven't set up an account or anything, and that is going to take you straight back to your browser and you'll be in BullX Neo. Now, I've already done this, but when you do start up, they will give you a private key. Please save this private key somewhere, put it on a notepad or whatever so that you have it for future reference. And that is pretty much it, guys. You have now set up BullX Neo. Your wallet is set up. Thanks so much for watching. Do consider subscribing to the channel for more videos just like these, and thanks for watching.